Angela, it's good to see you again. This is Angela, of course, from Triple Peaks Roofing.
Hello.
And we're talking about not even the peak of the roof, but the very edge of the roof where those gutters go.
Yes.
Gutter cleaning, that's pretty important, isn't it?
It is. Because you want to keep, well, first you don't want trees growing out of your gutters.
I've seen that.
They will.
I've seen this. I've seen that. It does happen.
So it is important to get your gutters cleaned, even if you have some sort of gutter protection on them, twice a year. So we generally say spring and fall, and that's after the spring. All of the
junk that falls. Yeah.
Yes.
Leaves, the green stuff, the junk that falls from the sky.
That white puffy stuff.
Yes,
and
that
I
too.
Can't think of what that's called. But
The pollen and everything is in the
Yes.
air.
Because that stuff will, over time, start gathering up, and then you're getting your gutters backed up. Things aren't flowing properly. It could potentially rot out your fascia board behind the gutters. So it is really important to get those gutters cleaned, even if it's just up there brushing off your gutter guards. It is important to have a professional go up there. We have the ladders and the safety equipment to get up there and do things safely.